And it's just like in your day job in the county, if something is the responsibility.
Did you say day job?
Your day job, your full-time job, your 24/7 job.
Thank you.
There you go.
There you go.
But if something is 5 people's responsibility, sometimes it's nobody's.
Yeah.
And so Metro is a shared responsibility between Maryland, Virginia, DC, and the federal government. There's some advantage to that. There's also some drawbacks. The way that Metro has been set up and funded over the years, you have to go essentially to 4 different board of directors every year to justify your existence in your budget.
Right.
And those board of directors change. Governors change.
Right.
Congress changes. So we have pulled together DMV Moves, which is a subset of the Metro Board and the COG Board. So leaders from Virginia, Maryland, Governor Moore's office is represented, Governor Youngkin, Mayor Bowser's office is represented, and the federal government to put on the table what are some areas that we can drive better efficiencies and coordinate so that users in this region can make sense of our transit network. And then a funding model that does 2 things. One, gives Metro the predictability it needs to run a business, because it's hard to run a business year in and year out when you don't know what's going to be coming in, but also gives you and the folks funding Metro the predictability of what it's going to cost to fund Metro year in and year out. And Metro needs that kind of funding coming in the door so they can run a business, but they're on the accountability side, they also need to know, okay, we need to live within our means from year in and year out. And so we're looking at, what a dedicated type of revenue might look like.